What's going on, guys? MixedSid here, back again for another review video. So this has been a little bit, this has been a while in the making, the Slush Puppie review. So we'll finally get around to it, to reviewing my machine, the Slush Puppie. So I will get straight into this, and I see 1,000 things going wrong, but we'll see how this goes. So just bear with me as I'm going to do this, just do it. I'm just going to go straight into it, go raw. As you can see, there's a Slush Puppie machine. I got that for £59 and it doesn't come with everything, so we've had a few delays. I was Slush Puppie cups, as I've got about 16 for about, as I've got about 20 for £8, so that's 67, it's adding up. Then syrups, you don't get that either, so that cost me another £4, so it's adding up now to 71, as it's cost me around 71 quid altogether. What I'm going to do What I'm going to do today is make a blue raspberry slush puppy. So let's get straight into this. So the first thing it's telling me to do is to turn it on and add it to mix. And as you can see, the taps are fully locked, so nothing's going into the cup. And now we've got the next thing to do now is add 2 caps of salt. Now we're adding 40ml or 1.3 ounce of water now. Now we fill it right to the top with ice. So there we go. So now another 3 caps of salt. What we're doing now is adding our blue raspberry. The next thing to do now is just let this run in 15 to 25 minutes, so we'll tune in then. Well, it's been 40 minutes now, so let's see how this turns out. We've definitely not got peak form, so I'm a little bit concerned about this. My personal opinion, I think it needs probably more ice on it. I think that's where I've gone wrong with this. But we'll try it anyway, like I said, I've waited 40 minutes, waited long enough. So we'll go on to dispense now. And now let's pour into the cup. So one straw, how does it taste? It's very, very cool, but it's not slushy. That's the thing we'll say. It needed more ice in it, I think. That's where I've gone wrong with this. So it's formed a little bit in it, and it tastes very nice, like a slush puppie, like you'd expect. I just love blueberry, especially the blueberry flavoured slush puppie. But what's gone wrong, I think that one's on me. What I should have done is, I should have kept more of an eye on it when we've waited 25 minutes, as I did check it 25 minutes, and I should have put ice then. As it just wasn't forming correct. It should be peak forms, that's what should be dispensing slowly, but it's not. It's dispensing slow. It's like very thick syrup, but very, very cool. But I think it's on me. I'll take ownership of it. I'm not going to blame the machine. I think it's me. I just need to put a bit more ice and another round of water and salt with it. And I think it would have got peak forms then if we just needed more ice as it dropped down. Should have filled it up again. Put ice. Filled it up with more ice, more salt, more water. And I think that would have done it. So we should have done that around the 20-minute mark. I think that's where I've gone very, very wrong here. But it is what it is. I'll give it a rating in a minute. I can't give it any higher than 5 out of 10. It's not turned out perfectly, so I can't give it a glowing review, as it's just not turned out that well for me. So I think it's on me, so I'll give it a 3 out of 10. Just because it's very nice and I like blueberries, getting a 3 out of 10 just for that reason. But we'll have another turnout, as I will show you again if I get it right, as I'll have a play with it. This was a raw review, just me going straight in blind, as I got all the ingredients. I thought we'll just do it raw, see how it turns out. It's not gone quite to plan, but we'll see if we get it right next time. If you fail first time, get it right next time, and we'll do that. But for me, it's a 3 out of 10. It's quite pricey. I'm a little bit disappointed that you don't get everything with it for £59. You've got to buy the syrups by itself and the cups and everything like that. But it doesn't have to be a Slush Puppie cup. You can use any cup you want if you want to use a plastic cup. But the syrups, not to get any syrups with it, I did find that a little bit disappointing, just to get a bland, just to get a machine. But oh well, it is what it is. But that, guys, has been my Slush Puppie review. Have you guys got it right first time? Where did I go wrong? Do let me know in the comments, where did I go wrong on this occasion? I know where I've gone wrong. I've not had enough ice. But don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid for more cocktail review, more review videos, as we'll be returning with the cocktails. So any cocktail recommendations, do let me know in the comments below. But I've been MixedSid. Cheers.